Tinakandikua. Kapag nga bira na maramatin to all the mothers doing this morning, to all the teachers and students, looking forward to the Seriki Bagambaki.
Oh, right.
So,
Holidays.
Holiday. So bakarangol na koro. Kabunga na Seriki Sungai Vale, sa pagkakas ng bikim ni Rongon and the Bugri Tokani, and the Bagadambi Singanikua.
Good morning to you too, and good morning to everybody.
Yes,
Good morning to the Sunside. Even though they never talk, but they're alive.
Yes.
The plants are surrounding the ecosystem.
Yes.
That they are there. Because one day, if you never talk, they will talk.
Yes.
Eh?
Absolutely.
The ecosystem, the plants,
The
the stone,
Nodimoli, the
guava,
Bariwapo
and
Suzu.
everything.
Yeah.
They will talk. They will talk. You seen here.
Yeah.
Right.
There will become a time.
Yes.
They will say they will be like a witness.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are witness.
In your judgmental.
Waranabu.
Don't
Yeah.
Bunaka.
What power does Andronimoli have for the evil spirit?
The Nranimoli,
Yes.
the power of the Nranimoli is coming from the roots
Yes.
right on top.
Right.
And the different level of power they have. But the most power is Kornanrunalai.
Is it? Oh, right.
Nrunangoni.
Oi.
Light green, yeah, not
Yeah,
dark
the
green,
light
light
green.
green.
That's the most one.
Nearly yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the most.
Sandina and the Udi.
The Woody too.
Yes.
They
If
got-
someone is possessed, eh?
Yeah, they got the magic.
All right.
The magic, when they goes together, when you
Right.
are being cold inside your body,
Yes.
they will work together and do the kubui. They will saturate your
Atmosphere.
freezing ceremony.
Waranabu. Totoo. Ano bikim ni ngoni buli bikim ni na sema chuma na koro. Ano matagli ko na bitoli likat sarra ve toka buli na mataka ni ngram ni kuwa. Niyan rin matibinaka. To all our friends who are knocking off this morning.
Yes.
Maybe on a night shift.
Right.
Knocking off now. Kita sa mga na chuma galebu. And nabugni ngolong libal na matagli kuwa. Baka kini bikim ni na may tawo tumbe kan bugni don traffic jam. On mibiti ko na super sorry corridor. And na mataka binaka ni ko. John Kumar and all the squad from Barara Valley. We say Yan Binaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Tex Lule and Rabinaka Josefa Matielon and Doyan Rabinaka. Good morning, Wise Tong Nivalu and LM69 Menodo. No, sorry. And Rabinaka Kalabeti Rocco. And also to Melina Yadalevu tuning in from Brisbane this morning. Now, someplace this morning, they are experiencing heavy rain like in Serua. Eh? Yes. Drivers, please be very careful when you are driving, especially this rainy season that we are facing.
Dono pa binaka. Mga doon binaka ni Burubito Kani, pamuringa pa binaka ng dalaw ni
Yes.
Sala. Most of the accidents that are happening on the
Yes.
roads now is due to
Overspeeding. Right.
Itu
Overspeeding.
Ay namataka di bingkaram ni kwa.
Right.
Okay.
Bulminaka to John Sanrawesi, Kakaramu from this one from Kandabu.
Hoy.
Good morning to you and the family, and not forgetting bro Isaac Waitana.
Do.
This morning Sulesi, Ratubuki, William Ryland, John Kumar, Bulminaka Domol, Joseph Matelo.
All right. Our story this morning is about the men,
Yeah.
the family men who went for the Ganakato.
We have our own responsibility in our life.
Yeah.
So you, daddy, you have your responsibility.
Yes,
You,
provide.
mommy, have your responsibility.
Yes, cook.
Children, they have their own responsibility.
Yes, listen to your parents.
Each and everyone, we have a responsibility. Excuse me.
Oh.
We have our own responsibility. In different occasions, we are
Right.
living. Depend on which group we are.
Yes.
So, daddy was being appointed to go for the Ganakato.
Right.
Yeah.
When daddy go for the Ganakato, they go right to the town area where the Gana is. Ala ko kali musundo. So when they are in the Ganakato, he is a truthful person.
Okay. Tamang tandaan din, eh?
Elon din ako in the
Right.
musundo. So when he start the musundo, the Gana, he leave the first one, finish.
Yeah.
He go to another,
Second farmer.
a second farmer. He
Sa-
working there like he likes a contractor.
Right.
Yeah.
So after from there, they go there because the owner of the farmer, they said he is a very good Gana.
Yeah.
Right.
Kata.
Yeah, kata.
Wida.
Yeah. He is a good Benji Queen. Yang binak.
Yeah.
Yang binak Joki Rekambula.
Right.
Brother boleh binak. And after that, when they went in for the Gana till the season of the Gana finish.
Right.
When the mill closed.
Yeah, when the mill closed.
Yeah.
Asong na ingangi. So he was there in the town.
Yeah.
When he was there in the town, he lived the Gana. he going to the town jobbing.
Look
Yeah.
for work.
Yeah.
Yes.
But he was supposed to go back to the village.
He was supposed to go
And the
back to
wife?
the village.
Because he's very hardworking, eh?
The wife,
But
and
the wife?
and the children, they stay at home.
Okay.
Oi.
And they was there at home. They was, hey, we steady.
Yes.
Then said, Daddy was there. Daddy is there in the town.
All right. What's
So
the
Daddy,
town?
when Daddy was in the town, what happened to Daddy? But Daddy never give any money. Daddy never give any food. He
Okay.
was there enjoying himself
What
in the town.
is the main purpose of daddy working if
Yeah.
he is not giving money to mommy?
Daddy
Because-
is inside the taxi LT1230.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy was double up.
Yeah.
Sa roti ko na balikuro.
Oh,
Oh, okay, that's the problem.
It's like
Oh
that.
my
Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
So he was doing everything there in the town.
Yeah.
After he leaving the garage, he job in the supermarket. After job in the supermarket, some other job
Yeah.
before going to the nightclub as a bouncer.
Woo!
very
What's he-
dangerous.
Tell us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
he
is
was-
a very dangerous place to work.
Yeah.
When he was in the bouncer,
Yeah.
you know nga,
Yes.
people will coming there, kurerakapuromai.
Right.
Some of
Oh.
them, they have broken hearts.
Right.
Some
Yeah.
of them, they want to come and healing
Oy,
there.
Yeah.
Like the daddy, the mommy,
Oh.
the younger ones,
Yes.
the 20s, eh?
Yes.
When they come
Looking.
in there,
eh?
yeah.
Some come there to heal, some come there to look,
Some there to
to
lose.
fish.
Yeah.
Different kind of momentum you coming to, so that you can come and enjoy and meet your verification.
Right.
Yeah.
So he was
Bones
there.
to your ribs.
Yeah, yeah.
He was there, you know, nindo sa mati ni sa kake sa rawa.
Yeah.
Nabitala no
Yes,
na
yes,
toso
yes.
doon
Yeah.
ka mo lako.
Yeah.
So from there, he was standing there and people, hey, if you see daddy there
Yeah.
in town, tell him to call me.
Right.
The mother,
Yes.
Yeah.
the mommy. To call me. We want to talk to, we miss them.
Yes.
So when he was there, he asking himself, hey, what's wrong?
Yeah.
They said you have to call, but he never called.
Yeah.
One day, somebody said, if you see him, don't tell him to call us.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will call you. You give him the phone.
All
Right,
right.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Puno ko
Right.
may tombok kina meron
Yeah.
vital no.
Yeah.
Right.
Said when the mommy call, hello.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What happened? What's wrong?
Yeah.
We have been waiting for so long.
Yeah.
You have
All
already.
the boys that you went with are here back here in the
Yes.
village.
Ew.
And you still there?
What you doing in town?
Yeah.
The mill closed, you still there?
You still there? See?
Yeah.
The boys from you went to.
Yeah.
They come here.
Yeah.
Sa pula rota lang ko wasenala.
Yeah.
Sa pula rota lang ko chimaima.
Right.
Yeah.
Because
You hardworking and we don't see any fruits of your labor.
yeah, what's wrong with the fruits?
Ano ka sa tulog kaya? Sorry mama. Kasi mo na fruit. Sa tuwa ko na fruity rin.
And after that, kila sangin din na tata sa. When tata calling,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
tata calling and what happened?
Yeah.
Hey, you come, we need you.
Yeah.
You have your job here. What job? You come here.
Sa
ta-
tang na.
I want to see the food. Nasi ni food.
Yeah.
Na the plants are here.
Yeah.
Melita mo na sa
Sa
tumbuan.
tumbo na bitavyoka. Tumbo na
Yeah.
pintalo.
Everything. And what
Sa
happened?
lilia.
Sitting
The
there.
children are crying for you. Eh?
Children, tunangon na to sa tangi.
Iya.
I am crying.
I am crying simbero ka. Or tunangon sa tangi tungo merto mekana.
Yeah.
Kau mina kami mekana simbero ka. Asing ikiranta mata memenggaram. Awang amang ko na sengay na numay tabi mo lang naman. Balata ka na ni sa tao tali tung na balikuro.
Oh, correct.
Iya mau ni binabi kita kan saran di tabi. Oh malo tabata jay na timbiu. Good morning to you and also Chone Naway Kalo
Right.
from Nausori Nalawara.
Plenty of people in the village, they can look after you.
Okay, you can look after them.
I'm
look
the
after
only
them.
person.
I'm the only person you can be here. Okay.
Yeah.
Ronga nga ni tukutukong ko.
Yeah.
Basi nga ni mata kesa siya ng usapa ka watita.
Kere.
Yeah.
Ni daga ti ko melore ti ko na bodi daga ka.
Iya.
Me kanji na kambimbia. Antona message sukira ntina ni last tu nantu tala no. Ya dona message sukira na matagdi ko bikenta na lilu di bubale.
Especially this season.
Ayo, especially this season. Akere menta na kangaraw ni. The devil will be there.
Yes.
The temptation will always be there because
Right.
we are human beings. Yeah, sa keringan on the willpower. Be
Right.
strong.
Yes.
Yeah, be strong. Be steadfast and buri no mo aim.
Right.
Yes.
Sa nakao
Be
sa
within.
taas kumay. Huh?
If
Be with
the
him.
temptation is coming from the right, you look to the left.
Ah.
Eh?
He come to the left.
If the temptation comes
Look
from
to
the
the
right.
right.
Yeah? If the temptation coming from the right, wait for the temptation from the left. Hei, ada benda karatu kabaya emoni tu sewa adare andi kuila tirau na matai di ko matai bikau.
Doyan re benda
Nabalik
katara
Sarah,
ni matai
nabalik
walu
Sarah.
kulini roko bereni tinai mek arna yar timane bulai yan rabina ka tinai emosi yan rabina ka. Chon yan nawai kalau yan rabina ka kalau ngata bikem don na sama tiko
Hey,
meno sor na
tau.
lamera.
Jeda timbiu.
Jay that you this person
Iya.
please be very careful
Iyo. Balata.
because leftal tu nga na lako abo kitiko.
Eh, nabi ngarabi oko, nabi ngarabi mino so. Beke mino kanta kitu sar mai dabe ke, kono da num like harbat ke num share matag di kuah.
Right.
Meta matag di matak ramaru chulu ben dar buru sanin rakit don magiti ka nangonong